has to be that big to fit all those cars in it.
Oh.
That drives over your toes. Did it drive over your toes? Yes. That scares me when they break shine up like that.
Oh no, they're my shoes.
In your shoes?
Yeah.
Yes, they are your shoes. I put them away. Is that okay? When the tailgate came down, and you're going to park all those micro cars. There's another one over here. And they fit in the what truck was it? Was it this truck they fit in? The Dr. Pepper truck?
No. These micro cars.
They don't fit in that one?
Yeah.
In the micro cars?
Yeah, those micro cars. And they do fit.
They do fit?
Yeah.
Got a red one and an orange one and a green one. What other colors? Another green one?
I found this one.
Yeah. Missed that.
What's this car?
You know, I don't know, but it's yellow and it has a spoiler.
It has this flavor.
Mm-hmm.
That's a yellow one.
Yep, it is.
It's a yellow.
And that is what color? Is that a green one? That's a little micro car.
That's a little micro car?
Yes, very
What's
little.
this car?
Yeah, is that silver or is that gray?
It's the number 7 on it.
Is it a number 7?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, well, interesting. What color is the oh, it's got red on it.
It got red
And
on
what's
it.
the top? What's the top? What's that color? Is that silver or is that gray?
That's gray.
You want to call that gray? Alrighty. We're running out
What's
of room.
my favorite color?
Yeah. Oh, I
My
like.
favorite color is gray.
Is it?
My favorite color is gray. Yeah, this
I
is
like
gray.
blue.
Like blue?
Yeah.
Here you go.
There it is. That's my favorite color.
Yeah.
I like that color.
That's my favorite color.
That's the color of the sky and the water. The lakes. They're blue.
And we see the boats.
Yeah, where we see the boats and we saw flags out there, didn't we?
Yeah.
And did we get wet sometimes? Because the water splashed us.
Well, that's it.
And you got to drive.
I got to drive.
Drive the boat.
I do want it.
Now what color is that? That one's all sorts of colors, isn't it? It's got yellow.
Yellow and pink and red and blue.
And blue. And what color is the numbers? What color is the numbers on that one?
Look.
What color is
White.
it? White.
This card has an 8.
Really? What is your favorite number?
Whoa! Look! Whoa!